You guys enjoyed seeing me assemble the 3D printed venting Starship. Stardesk just made a new design, and this is a Falcon 9. But just to give you a better idea, this is the SLS that obviously I've already assembled. So we're going to see what their Falcon 9 looks like. Okay. This is Caleb. He's not live, but he's going to tell us how the heck to do this. Just so you know, if you guys decide to order this, full disclosure, it does help support my channel. But at least you get something cool on the other end that you can construct for yourself.
Okay, we're going to start with the 3D printed base, the micro USB splitter, and the LED strip.
Okay, so far this is how we started everything last time. All right, so we're going to start with this. We're going to get that splitter. And then we're going to get this thing. And I remember the first time that I did this made me super nervous. I was like, I'm for sure not going to be able to figure it out. And you know what? I did.
First, plug the shorter end of the micro USB splitter into the LED strip. Then,
dude, I have to pause it so much just because, I don't know, I don't want to backtrack and I don't want to do it wrong. And I don't want to rush plugging certain things on, so you're going to see me pause it a bunch. Don't make fun of me. Okay, the female end of the splitter? Sorry, that tripped me up. Okay.
Let's push it all the way down.
Oh, okay. So
into its slot in the base with the shorter wire on the bottom.
With the shorter wire on the bottom. Okay, so here. I don't need to be nervous. It's okay. It's okay. Just doing this live, so I could become an internet meme any second. Oh. See, this is the part where I was like, okay, so make sure it stays. Hold on. Was that right? Okay, am I coming out of the right hole? I think so. I'm just gonna say yeah, because I literally can't hear anyone because this is just comments.
And slide it up into the part from underneath.
Okay, slide her up there. Is he going this tip first?
You need to insert the flat edge of the wick into the platform. So that flat edge is what touches the disc. Make sure it's making good contact with the bottom of the humidifier disc.
Oh, it's making contact. Which way does he have this? Oh, he has this out in the front with this on the left. Okay, so I think so far it's okay.
Now we're going to take the green circuit board and plug two things into it.
Yeah, so like most things, if you have to force it, it's probably in the wrong place, okay? Okay, hold on. I think I'm either orienting that wrong. Okay.
Slide it all the way down. Now you should be able to press your clear button.
I don't understand. Here's my clear button. Wait, go back up there. Get back in line. Oh, that black button. Okay, I think I was trying to fit it somewhere that was way too small. Okay, I hear it click. So far, so good. Back in business. Well, it's on. Oh, it is bright. Ah, I'm blinded. Okay.
And as long as you pre-soaked the wick, a little geyser of water vapor will erupt.
Wait, what? How do you get that going? Ah! Oh my God. Okay. See, this is why it's fun live. With the clips facing down. Okay, I don't know if this is correct, but I think it is. Oh, I think that's really good. Yes. Yes, it's great. Good job. Ah! Okay. Wow. Oh, yeah. I feel like he does a pretty good job explaining this. I'm racing through this build like the pace of SpaceX. It's interesting because, like, I did the Starship and the SLS build before I ever did Legos. And so, like, nice precursor to Legos. It's not too far off, actually.
Then put the other white panel into the back of the arm, being sure to orient it correctly.
But how do I orient it correctly? Which way is correct?
Finally,
Okay. Slow down, boy. I don't know if I'm doing this right, cause I say that because there's like two sides of this cladding. There's like this side and this side. All right. There we go. We heard the click. They are very thin. I was like, where is it? Oh my goodness. Ah! That was loud. Is this right? Okay. That's cool as I did not know that. I swear, I feel like he's been upgrading his designs. Look at that. That is so cool. Check it out. It's like magic. Okay. This is from Stardesk and you can order it, and he literally just released this design. And so I was like, hell yeah, I want to get my hands on it. And yeah, it is just water inside of it.